We are introducing Evercare, a bidet for patients created by the technical capability of Sanyo Tech Co. Limited, a leader of silver industry. Evercare senses the excretions of the bedridden patients having difficulties in moving and taking care of cleaning, bidet, and drying at the same time, needless to mention disposal of excretions. This is the world's first and best supplementary device for patient care that can considerably save efforts of the caregivers at hospitals, homes, or sanatoriums. Evercare for patient care. We can say that this is an indispensable device both for patients and caregivers. Let's see why. First, drastically reduces mental stress that can be received by the patients due to replacement of diapers. Second, certainly reduces unpleasantness and skin troubles of patient since it detects the excretions automatically and conducts cleaning, bidet, and up to drying. Third, brings in healthy dietary life and mental stability to the patients by relieving the burden of excretions. These are not all. It drastically relieves the efforts of family members and caregivers. It reduces the physical burden because the labor following replacement of diapers can be saved. At the same time, it will reduce mental stress of caregivers more than anything else. It can provide the caregivers with comfortable sleep and relaxed life because it is operated by full automatic system for 24 hours. And then, although there may be a price difference by each country, the price to buy disposable diapers and wet tissue, etc., for 2 years is the same price to buy Evercare in case of Korea. Evercare, the world's first full automatic excretion system. Are you curious to know how it works? From now on, we're going to study its operating method one by one. First of all, when we look into the components of Evercare, largely it comprises washing water tank and waste collection tank, main body, diaper, and exclusive mat. After connecting the exclusive diaper linked with the excretions hose with the main body, installation shall be completed when wearing the exclusive diaper after laying the patient on the exclusive mat. Patient can take comfortable posture because it is designed to accommodate the movements to the left and right by some 15 degrees. Now, we're going to look into the full-out operating method.
동작 모드는 자동과 수동 모드로 나누어집니다.
At the auto mode, functions of excretion absorption, cleaning, bidet, function to maintain pleasant condition are basically installed to operate by itself.
스스로 알아서 작동합니다.
Press the button to set up auto mode.
자동 모드로 설정합니다.
Besides the basic setup, you can set up water pressure, water temperature, drying temperature, and drying intervals, etc. in detail. When detecting the excretion automatically, repeats crushing and absorption of the excretions twice to wash completely. Waits for 1 minute to check if there is any additional excretion. Repeats cleaning and bidet process twice and absorbs in final. Finishes neatly due to drying process of inside and outside. And drying function will activate at the preset intervals at normal times to remove sweat and maintain clean, hygienic conditions. At manual mode, you can activate all functions manually in application of the remote control.
의식이 있어 수치심을 느끼는 환자가 스스로 작동 가능하도록 배려하였습니다.
Operating method of Evercare. Do you understand now? Are you still worried about splattering of filth or contamination around? Please rest assured. Protective film of medical silicone material does not irritate the skin and stops water completely. In addition, the attached human body detection sensor will prevent malfunctions. Protective pad or cushion can be maintained cleanly all the time, and they are washable because they can be simply attached or detached. Extensive cleaning nozzles are applicable to all body types, regardless of age or sex. Dual carbon filter will perfectly block smell and bacteria to provide hygienic environment. We will look into the waste tank. This tank can be attached or detached very simply. When we look around the number of rounds to dispose the excretions, it can dispose about 2 rounds in case of feces and about 8 rounds in case of urine. You are required to fill the water and empty the waste tank for only once or twice in a day. Evercare Full Automatic Excretion System. Did you feel how good Evercare is with only the operating method you have studied one by one so far? Evercare of Sanyo Tech is an ingenious product even in this whole world. Sanyo Tech has acquired surprisingly more than 24 patented technologies from home and abroad and received PSE, CE certificate, CB certificate, EK certificate, and InnoBiz certificate, etc. Starting with export to Japan in 2008, we have been growing to be a global company, while superiority of our product verified. Evercare, Bidet for Patient Care by Sanyo Tech, a leader of silver industry. Evercare, the world's best patient care supplementary device that can fully, automatically solve from the excretions of the bedridden patients having difficulties in moving, cleaning, bidet, and up to drying, will relieve efforts of the caregivers for sure.